Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to give you my June update of the best bank accounts for 2025. Before we get into the video, please take a second to give it a like. Thank you for the like. If you want to stick around and see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. Let's get into the video. I've got some great current accounts to tell you about today. Some of these are new and so I haven't featured them in this list before, so definitely some new and interesting accounts to find out about. Many of these accounts offer some benefits, so these are switching bonuses, so free cash if you switch to them, cashback, rewards and other perks. So there's lots on offer with these accounts, so definitely worthwhile staying tuned. Let's start off with the first one. The first account is new to this list and it's a new account, and this is the IFAST GB current account. The main things that I like about this account are that it pays interest on your balance, so this is pretty unique to current accounts, and also you can get 2% cashback on purchases, so those are the highlights with this one. The main thing that I like about this current account is, as I said, that it pays interest on your balance. It's a multi-currency current account, so you can get interest on your balance in multiple currencies. I'll tell you the interest rates on the day of making this video. Of course, they might have changed by the time you watch the video, but at the moment you can earn 3.2% interest on pounds, 2.8% interest on American dollars, and 1.7% interest on euros. What's unique about this current account and why I've put it first on today's list is that you can earn interest on your balance in any of these currencies and there's no limit on the interest. So this is pretty unique amongst the high street bank current accounts. So there's no minimum balance, there's no maximum balance, and there's no maximum balance on which you can earn interest. You can also get 2% cashback on your UK and overseas spending. This is worth up to £40 per month and it's valid for spending up to £2,000 per month. This is currently valid until the end of June, but hopefully it might be extended. You can open the account online or in the IFAST GB app. It's easy to open, it just takes a few minutes. I've opened the account myself and it was really straightforward. If you're interested in this account, I'll leave the link for this account and all of the accounts mentioned in today's video in the description box below. If you open this account specifically, then you can get £5 free when you use my link and deposit £500. So that's an extra £5 free on top of the cashback and the interest that you'll be earning on your current account balance. Your money is protected by the FSCS up to £85,000. That goes for money held in this account and all of the accounts that I'm going to talk about today. IFAST GB is a registered UK bank and they are FCA regulated. The customer service is really good too in my experience. Apple Pay and Google Pay are coming soon, as well as direct debits, so those are all things that you will be able to access soon. All in all, it's my top current account pick at the moment because it is a new way to earn interest on your current account balance, which, as I said, is pretty unique, and it means that money that you've already got sitting in your current account, which many of us do have, can be earning interest rather than just not earning any interest. You also can get 2% cashback at the moment as well, which I think is really good. You can use it to spend abroad as well, which I haven't done yet, but I plan to because you can get good interest rates and you can be earning interest on your balance in euros too. Next option is a solid favourite. I've featured it many times before on my channel in these lists, and this is the First Direct First account. They are still offering a switching bonus of £175 when you switch to them, so that's an added incentive, which is quite nice. If you choose to switch to First Direct, you can get £175 of free cash. If you use my link in the description box, that will take you through to top cashback. If you use that link and sign up, you can get between £40 and £50 of extra cash on top of the £175, so that's pretty nice too. The First Direct account is another great option. They don't give you interest on your balance, but they do give you some other perks like access to a linked regular savings account. This regular savings account pays 7% interest. That interest is fixed for a year, and you can pay in up to £300 per month into the savings account. You also get great rates on spending that you do abroad with this account, and the customer service is rated really highly. It receives really high ratings compared to other banks, and I've noticed personally that their customer service is good. I switched to First Direct a couple of years ago, and I've noticed that their customer service is good, so I can comment on that. So I've trialed this account, I've trialed the IFAST GB account that I just told you about, and I've also tried out a few more of the accounts that I'm talking about today, so at least I can give you my review on them. You can get a £250 interest-free overdraft with this account as well, and you can open this account online or in the First Direct app. If you want to get the switching bonus, you do need to make sure that you pay in £1,000 and also make 5 card payments. So these are the conditions for getting the bonus. That was all about the First Direct First account. I think this is another great option. That's why it's featured highly again in this video. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is the Santander Edge current account. So with this one, you can get switching bonus and you can get some cashback too. The cashback is not as high as with the IFAST GB one that I mentioned at the start of today's video, but you can get some cashback. I haven't featured this any higher up in the list because of the customer service. So the customer service is rated much higher with IFAST GB and First Direct. So that's why it's third on the list. So definitely some good benefits. The customer service is rated as good, but it's certainly not as high as the other two. Let me tell you about the perks of this account and what's good about it. So first of all, you can get a switching bonus if you decide to switch to Santander of £180 when you switch to this Santander Edge current account. You can also get up to £20 per month of cashback. So this is 1% cashback on your spending on bills and 1% cashback on your spending on supermarkets, trains or fuel. You can get up to £10 cashback on bills and £10 cashback on your supermarket, fuel and train spending. So you can get up to £20 a month of cashback. You do have the £3 monthly fee to pay every month with the account, but that should counteract that and it should balance that out. If you are earning the cashback every month, you should have enough to pay the fee and also have quite a bit left over as well. You also get access to a linked regular savings account with the Santander Edge current account. This pays 6% interest for the first year, and the 6% interest is on your balance up to £4,000. You can open this account online or in a Santander branch. You do need to pay in £500 a month every month into the account to avoid charges and to keep the account active. Overall, I think this is another good option. You do get a good switching bonus if you decide to switch to Santander, and you do get access to the linked savings account. So overall, I think, yeah, it's a good option. It does have decent customer service as well, and it might not be my top choice, but it's certainly a good one to think about. So far in this video, I've tried to give you a range of options, tell you about different accounts with different perks and features like interest on your balance, cashback, switching bonuses and other rewards. So the next two accounts are similar to that. So the first one is with TSB. You can get £100 for switching to TSB if you decide to switch your current account to TSB. And also you can get £15 per month as well in cashback. You can get £15 a month of cashback for 6 months. In those 6 months, every month you need to spend more than 20 times using the debit card. For every month that you do that, you get £15 of cashback. When you open this account, you do get access to a linked regular savings account with this one as well. So this one pays 5% interest, and this is on up to £250 per month for the year. So obviously not a great interest rate compared to some of the interest rates on savings accounts that you can find at the moment, but regular savings accounts can be a nice way to save. So if you already want to open this TSB account, then it might be something that you would be interested in. TSB's customer service is decent, and you can open this current account online, in a branch, or in the app. That's all about the TSB current account. I do think it's a good option. Let me tell you finally about the last account, which is with the Co-op. You can also get £100 if you decide to switch to this account, and then if you do various other things, you can get some more cash back on top of this, but it is a £100 switching bonus like the TSB one, and then to get any more than that, you do need to do a few more things. So let me tell you about what you need to do to get the extras. To get the extra £25 a month for 3 months, so it's worth up to £75, you do need to deposit £1,000 into the account every month, and you need to make 20 transactions using the debit card. You have to do that every month that you want to earn the £25 of cash back. Co-op's customer service is rated highly. I've opened this account myself and I can comment on the customer service, and I have found that it has been good in my experience. With this account, you do get access to a linked regular saver account, which does pay 7% interest on up to £250, and this is for 12 months. In this section, I've been telling you about the everyday account. They do also have the everyday extra account, which does have a £15 a month fee, but it does give you some nice features, like you can get mobile insurance and travel insurance included in the extra account. Anyway, I think the everyday account is a solid choice. You might have noticed that this one is quite similar to the TSB account in terms of what it offers. Having opened these accounts, both of these accounts myself, and experienced them, I think that the Co-op really beats the TSB for me just slightly, but I wanted to feature TSB first because I think it is a good account, and of course you can get up to £190 of cash back with that one versus £175 with the Co-op, so it is worth a little bit more in terms of switching bonuses, but I think that the Co-op one also has quite a bit to offer as well. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did make it this far, please take a second to give the video a like. Thanks for the like. Please leave a comment and let me know if you enjoyed the video and if you are interested in opening these accounts, or if you have any experience with these accounts. I'd love to hear it. I did try to give a range of current accounts in today's video and give you something for everyone. So I did include interest on current account balances, cashback bonuses, rewards, and also switching bonuses as well. So hopefully there's something in there and you found a good account for you. Thank you for watching up until this point, and see you next time.